Calectro was founded in 1969 in Gothenburg, Sweden, as an agency business with in-house research and development department. In 1994, Calectro presented its first of many innovative one-tube smoke detectors, the Uniguard 1. Through the years, many modifications and improvements has been added to enhance both sensitivity and ease of use. And today, our Uniguard is the European market leader in duct smoke detectors. Calectro now proudly presents the new Uniguard, specially adapted to the American market regulations and needs. But still, with the accuracy and ease of use the Uniguard smoke detector is renowned for. The Calectro Uniguard must be correctly mounted in the airflow for correct functionality. And it's recommended that the Uniguard is mounted on a distance of approximately 3 times the duct diameter before an obstruction, and approximately 5 times the duct diameter after any obstructions. Obstructions can be, for example, dampers, filters, or bends. When a suitable location on the duct is chosen, drill a 1.5-inch hole with a drill bit. Then measure the diameter of the duct with a sampling tube or a ruler. The sampling tube should penetrate approximately 90% of the width of the duct. When done measuring, cut the sampling tube to length at the bottom of the tube with an appropriate saw and attach the end plug. Insert the sampling tube into the base part and fasten the included lock screw. Then insert the completed unit in the duct and secure it to the duct using the 3 provided metal screws. Wiring is connected to the terminals under the transparent lid of the unit. The lid is easily separated from the unit with 4 screws. After lid removal, attach power wires to the appropriate power terminals and the wiring from the unit to be controlled to the relay terminals. Test the installations function with aerosol smoke. The Uniguard is a highly versatile unit and comes prepared for an array of applications, such as communication with fire centrals, control of external devices, and linking of many units. It also has auto calibration features for easy installation and maintenance. The Uniguard is just one of many devices in Calectro's vast catalog of products that helps improve the daily life of both end customers and electricians alike. For more information, please go to www.calectro.com or contact your nearest reseller.